everyone, Miss Dahlman and Lucy here, and the road to success in finding our way hasn't always been easy. So, park yourself and get ready to learn about maps, globes, and cardinal directions. Now, these are all tools used to help locate people and places. We would be lost without them. Trust me, Lucy and I, we lost our way just today.
We tried to get to the park, but took a very wrong turn and ended up at the vet.
Wow, we never want that to happen again. So, we are going to buckle up and find our way. Lucy, let's see if this lesson clicks. Enjoy.
A map is a flat surface that represents an area. It could be a city, a state, or an entire country. This is an atlas, and an atlas is a collection of lots and lots of maps. Here are some useful tools that you might find on a map. A map's key or legend has different symbols that represent various landmarks. For example, the blue buildings are all apartment buildings. This symbol represents the park that Lucy and I were looking for. Another useful tool is a map's compass. A compass helps you find your way using 4 cardinal directions as a guide. The 4 cardinal directions are north, south, east, and west. One easy and fun way that you can remember the 4 directions is to think of the sentence, "Never eat soggy waffles." This is a globe. A globe is a 3D rounded shape known as a sphere. It shows the entire Earth, and this is what the Earth would look like in space.
Lucy, now that we know how to read a map, we will be able to find our way to the park.
When you access a map, you won't get in a traffic jam, and you'll know you've got your bearings. It's easy to scale wall maps when you have the right tools. As for Lucy, well, she's got latitude. Bye, everyone.